Hey guys, it's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. So I've been hearing some rumors. I have been told by other quilters that the Dollar Tree has started carrying fabric and that you've been playing with it. And I kind of thought some of y'all were making it up because I thought there's no way that they're doing fabric when the craft section is only like this big. There's just not enough room. But I was wrong because we have fabric in our Dollar Tree now. And their craft aisle went from this like tiny sliver of a section to like the entire aisle. And let me tell you, I was really excited. Much to my husband's like bewilderment, okay? He just didn't understand. There were so many treasures to find. They had things that like went all the way up to like $5. So they're definitely expanding and opening that area of the store a little bit more because they know their market. Right? They know their market. They know their target audience is coming and they're looking for some quick, fun things to do. So I went through there and I bought some of the fabrics because I wanted to try them. Now, I'm not gonna lie, they weren't all cute. Okay, some of the fabrics were pretty fugly. Yeah, they really weren't that cute, and you would have to have the right project to use them on. So this one here is a fat quarter, and it's got some cute little llamas with little pom-poms on them and some little cactuses and just some like, you know, happy fiesta type fat quarter fabric here. And it does say 18 by 21. This one was $1.25. So I'm not saying that I would go and buy like 30 of these to make a quilt out of in lieu of going to my local fabric store or hitting up, you know, some of the online shops that I really like to shop at. But, you know, for the price, I'd say it's pretty good. The feel of the fabric, as I'm opening this to show you a little bit more, is it's kind of rough. You know, it's definitely not a soft cotton, but it does say on here that it is 100% cotton. So let me see if I can pull this out. It does say that it's 100% cotton. It feels thick, kind of starchy, but it doesn't feel you know, terrible. Like I'm holding it up to the window here and you can see, like, you can see through it, but not so bad that I would discount using it at all. So I'm actually I'm pretty happy with this one. I kind of like it. I think it's a cute print. I think I may make like a zipper pouch or something out of this. Would be really cute. So let me show you what else I got. I found this right here, which is a 20-piece fabric roll. So it's got blue, it's got two different color blues, a gray and a white to it. And they're 2.5 inches by 42-inch strips. Again, 100% cotton, 5 colors, 4 pieces each. And this roll was $5. So, the fabric does feel to be a little bit on the thin side, but again, it really depends on what you're using this for, I think. Like, if you're gonna use this for a table runner or something, it's gonna be awesome because it's not gonna get like a whole lot of touchy and usey and like, you know, bending and folding, and I'll definitely sew something with it and enjoy playing with a $5 roll of fabric. I mean, really, like for a gift or something, that's a really good price for some fabric. So that one was $5. And then this one was also $5. It's got the $5 price tag on it. And it is I'm gonna say a French metro vibe. I don't really know. It's got some different patterns in here. This one has like, it's got like the Eiffel Tower and some hot air balloons. And then I got one that looks very like metro. It's got some little cityscapes on it, and then one that has coffee cups and cupcakes and coffee beans, and then one that has macaroons on it, real Frenchy. So it has like a very Frenchy fun vibe to it. But this one is 5 different designs, and they're all fat quarter sizes, so 18 by 21 and a half. So these worked out at $1 a piece for each fat quarter, which again, like if you're making some zipper bags or some little trinkets, little microwave bowls or something, this is really awesome. And it does say that it's 100% cotton. So that's one thing that you want to look for when you're looking at like, let's just say discount fabric like this, not necessarily like cheap fabric, because the fabric itself doesn't feel too bad. You know, it feels kind of along the lines of like, not your high quality like quilting cotton, right? But just regular fun fabric. When you're looking at stuff like this, you want to make sure that you're, one, not looking for anything that's going to have glitter on it, because I guarantee that glitter, while it looks so cute, it's gonna wash off, right? It's gonna wash off, it's gonna flake off on everything. You certainly don't wanna make any microwave bowls out of that, because glitter in the microwave does not work out very well, right? So you want to look out for that, and you want to make sure that you have, you know, enough fabric to work with as well, because that is one of the risks at like shopping for something like this. You can see when I went, it looked like there was a pretty good stock of fabric there, which I was really surprised from, because we went on a Sunday afternoon. And if you're looking at that and you kind of like are starting to see your Dollar Tree turn over a little bit, I think they are transforming some of the stores to be a little bit more wider in the craft section department, and to allow some more for that. So that was a happy find, and I am very glad that I finally got to see what y'all have been telling me about. Because I was starting to wonder if like y'all were making it up, because my Dollar Tree did not carry fabric, and I could not find a Dollar Tree that has ever had fabric. But now it was in there and they had it. So that was a really fun day. And you know, I don't have anything bad to say about this. I probably would not turn this into like my most wonderful masterpiece of a quilt, right? This kind of the thicker, starchier fabrics. I would not turn it into my most wonderful quilt that I've ever made. But it does feel like it's pretty good quality. It says 100% cotton on there. It's not so thin that it's just gonna like dissolve right away, right? My final words, I guess, are that, yeah, it's absolutely worth the price that I paid for it. And I would definitely use this for several projects. I think it's a really good buy and a really good find. So that's that. I would love to hear your opinions on the Dollar Tree fabric, and I will see you next week. My name is Kristen with IcyStarsQuilting.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share new tips, tricks, and tutorials every single week with you. Make sure you hit the little bell after the subscribe button, because that will alert you when I post new content so that you can stay up to date on all things modern quilting.